Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the login element in Elementor Pro. This is a powerful feature that allows you to create a custom login page for your WordPress website, giving your users a seamless experience that matches your site's branding and design. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Pages section on the left sidebar. Here, you'll want to select Add New to create a new page, and then click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor Page Builder interface where you can start designing your custom login page. Now, in the Elementor Widgets panel on the left side of your screen, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Login, and the Login widget should appear in the results. Before we go further, I should mention that although I don't have Elementor Pro myself, I can still guide you through the steps to enable and customize the login element. This widget is a Pro feature, so you'll need an active Elementor Pro subscription to access it. Once you've found the login widget, simply drag it onto your page canvas where you'd like your login form to appear. The widget will be placed on your page, and you'll immediately see the widget panel open on the left with various customization options available to you. Click on the Content tab in the widget panel to access the main settings for your login form. Here, you may need to toggle Show Login Form to enable it if it's not already active by default. You can also customize the field labels, such as changing username or email to whatever text makes sense for your audience. This level of customization ensures that your login form speaks directly to your users in a language they understand. Next, scroll down to the Redirect section within the Content tab. This is where you'll set the redirect after login URL. In the field provided, type in the URL where you want users to be sent after they successfully log in. For example, this could be your dashboard URL like your site.com/dashboard or any other page you want them to land on. As you continue down the panel, you'll see options to toggle Show Remember Me and Show Lost Password. These are useful features that enhance the user experience by allowing users to stay logged in or recover their password if needed. Enable or disable these based on your preferences and the needs of your users. Now, let's make your login button look polished and professional. Click on the Style tab at the top of the widget panel. Here, you can adjust the button text to something like Login and customize the size, colors, and typography to match your website's design. Take your time here to ensure the login form fits seamlessly with the rest of your site's aesthetic. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click the Update button at the bottom of the Elementor interface to save all your changes. After the page has been saved, it's a good idea to preview the page and test the login functionality to make sure everything works as expected. Open the page in a new browser tab and try logging in with a test account to confirm the redirects and form behavior are working correctly. And there you have it, you've successfully created and customized a login page using the login element in Elementor Pro. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.